Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Welcome to Tamim's English Care. Right now I am walking in the field. Oh, now I am walking in the field. The field is really muddy, and yeah, as you can see behind me, there are a lot of foggies are available, and that's why I am freezing. Okay, but at any cost, I have to make this video because last couple of days I have shared with you. I have taken a decision. At any cost, I have to make video. But you can see, oh, there is a land. The land is muddy because of some days ago, or someone irrigation. After irrigation, the water coming here, and after coming here, accumulated water. Oh, this is why the land is muddy. Okay, so this is why I'm working very carefully. Right now I'm gonna show you the beautiful scenario. You can see on my left side, there are bamboo fancy. Beside the bamboo fancy, there are a lot of grasses. Not only grasses, but also there is a coconut tree. Okay, and after the coconut tree there is a pond. Okay, and you can also see, oh, there is another, there is a lot of tree behind me. Okay, this is the thing. Now I am back to from there. So my dear learners, my dear viewers, I'm really grateful to you. You are watching my videos and you are really inspired me nowadays, and I'm really motivated to practicing English and making this video. This is why maybe I can improve my spoken English, and it is really interesting for me. I don't want to improve myself. I also want to give you the theory of practicing. Okay, so dear learners, start your journey. Start your giving dedication. Start put in practicing. Okay.